is a woman to do? Well, podiatrist Dr. Suzanne Levine is here to tell us more. So what actually happens to your muscles when you wear heels for a long period of time?
Well, certainly wearing them for 5 days in a row, 8 hours a day, you
Which most
weaken.
people do.
They do.
Yeah.
A lot of people do. You weaken the muscles up the front of the leg, and you want to avoid that.
Yeah.
And also what happens is your heel cords tighten, and you want to avoid that at all costs.
Yeah.
And we'll show you some exercises to do and how to counteract the effects.
And actually, hip and knee problems occur too, right?
Yes, the hip and the knee.
Okay, so let's talk about the kinds of shoes that you should avoid. People think that wearing platforms is going to actually help, but that's not true.
Not true at all. In fact, this is deceiving. Wearing the platforms, you actually can cause a lot of injuries. I've had patients 32 years old that twist their ankle, they actually fall off the platform.
Right, yeah, that's easy
and end
to
up
do.
with some serious injuries.
Wow.
So by going from from 5'2" to 5'9", wearing something
It's
like
nice,
this is
but maybe not worth it.
Okay, you say avoid all shoes that are over 4 inches. None of those obviously are 4 inches. Why do you say that?
Because over 4 inches, you're really not walking properly. You're putting so much weight on the ball of the foot. And you can actually twist your ankle and injure yourself. And you definitely want to avoid over 4 inches. They're like really stilettos. They're extreme.
Transfer to like the lower shoes easily, right?
Sarah, I think the key is moderation. You start out with like a 4-inch heel. You see all of us wearing heels. And then you want to transition to a 2.5 inch. 2.5 inch. And then if you're going to wear the ballet flats, you definitely want to wear something like this. Put a little pad in the metatarsal arch.
So you're going to put it in right like that?
Right, in the arch area. Or you could even have something like this, custom-made insoles that actually fit into the ballet slipper. And you want to avoid those beach sandals.
Okay, there's also exercises that can help. So what are the exercises we can do?
The simple exercise is actually stretching the heel cords.
Like this?
Yes, take your shoes off if you're going to do this.
Okay.
Okay, put your foot up on the top, and you want to stretch the heel cord, the muscles in the back of the leg that really weaken as we wear heels for extended periods of time. And then you might want to also pick up a pencil
with your toes,
because you can strengthen the muscles in your foot. Those little 38 muscles.
So the bottom line here is if you're going to stop wearing those high heels and you recommend doing it, gradually transition your way through. Do some exercises. Beautiful. Thank you, Suzanne, so much.